Hello, young artists! Today's adventure involves drawing an adorable car. Grab your markers and let's bring this cheerful automobile to life. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Before we dive in, let's start with a rough pencil sketch to outline our car. Begin drawing the top part. Then add those wheels. Create a front bumper, just like the car's smile. Draw two headlights, which will be the car's eyes. And those windows for a perfect view. Awesome! And don't forget the cherry on top, a smiley mouth.
Perfect!
Great job! Cool! Now, let's use our trusty black marker to make those outlines bold and sharp. Watch as our car begins to pop off the page. It's time to splash some color onto our cheerful car. Light and bottle green for the bumper. Sky blue for the windows and those adorable headlights. Red will bring life to the car's body. and a touch of pink for extra flair. For the wheels, let's use indigo, yellow, and sky blue colors.
Wow!
Beautifully done! Yay! Congratulations, little artists, on crafting your own adorable and colorful car. Your creativity truly drives the day. Remember, there's always more fun to explore on Toddlers Art Hub. Keep creating, keep exploring, and keep those creative engines running. Until next time, happy drawing! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.